Hey, good afternoon. It is Friday, September 21st, 3:56 p.m. Markets are closed. It's done. What a week. I'm telling you what. A lot of up and downs this week. Very technical trading though. The Dow and the ES managed to get some new highs this week, all-time highs, and the Dow actually today closed up on the YM. Again, before coming back, 26,820 was the high, another new all-time high. So we're pressing up on the manufacturing side of things. The report today for the services was a little bit light. It was above 50, but showing growth, but a little bit light, not as good as they expected that number to be. So got that pullback today. Not so much on tariff news or anything. I think that's working out. The 30th of September is the date for that tariff news from Canada. They got to announce a deal before the 30th. So keep your eye out for that. And that would propel the markets back up to these upper bands that you can see we're in sort of a daily downtrend and a longer term uptrend. So it's sort of like that wedgie thing. You've got to just wait for your higher closes and then go long. But coming back into the value area, flat in the middle of this range, not a really good place to trade from. Here is the 15-minute chart, and basically it is so super simple, okay? You get the tone. Are we going up or are we going down, right? Not too hard. And then you try to get a chunk out of that leg, right? So yesterday, nice even price action, and you can see when it went underneath the triggers, that's when you take the pedal off the metal off the pedal. And so you're really done before noon. Today, just a nice downtrend. So the key is to wait for that 15-minute anchor, right? And then get, short on your lower time frame. And this whole thing is about trading your major trend line. And right there. So that trend filter is what we're trading to, and basing that linear regression from the trajectory that price is moving all in one line, and it makes trips back up into this value area towards this. So as close as you can get to this line to get your order in, the better, if you're going directionally down this path. So as close as you can get up here, the better. So if you can get a trade on the yellow line, awesome. This line is more like it though. So let me get that yellow painted dots off and show you those trades would have been good, and then you would have mitigated your risk substantially for your risk and reward. So by the time you get back to the trajectory, you've made your profit target. So the goal is to get back to the lines and then or have to get more profit from there, recognizing that price is going to be pulling back inside these speed lines as we go. So sometimes we want to just take the threes, the middle one, but I like trading the twos and ones, threes, twos and ones. You know, hell, I'll trade them all. But some other things to consider before getting too long away from your entry. So this went 43.75 points, tip to toe. before it gets too long in the tooth, it'll pull back to that band. So you're really trying to split your risk. So if you pick up a trade and you're trading twos and ones, don't allow the trade to go all the way back to the average, because it could roll over and really screw you. So make sure you have an exit plan trading this and a strategy. You know, trade one of the bands, maybe the next band up as your trigger for exits or something. But it can be a very fun system to trade, especially if you can match it to that 3-minute chart. So here's the 15-minute. See, we want to go short. So whenever this 3-minute band is short, that's when, here it is today, that's when we want to be trading this. And boy, it just took off here, straight shot down. But here, you know, these are the trades that we can pick up, and you can make a lot of fast, fun money using this system, however you want to use it. But up and down with the high-low too, and then trading, of course, with your trade plan for your higher time frame. I like using the 15-minute 3 combination whenever possible. So when the 3 is matching that 15, you know, sit out on the retracements, participate, sit out, you get it, participate, go in the opposite direction. Okay. And for today, I mean, next week, just pretty much, I think, more of the same of this, what we're looking at here, down, 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 down. The news does not look good. I'd hate to be some of those people in Washington, D.C. this weekend, and I'm just hoping this all gets over with. I'm so over all of it. But there's going to be a lot of news next week, including the FOMC minutes. And so keep your powder dry and pick up a trading template. Come see us in the trade room, and we will see you next week. Weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye.